Hey everyone, we are in Lincolnton, North Carolina. We are at 118 Alf Hoover Road, and I'm going to let you know my 5 favorite things about this house. Let's go. My number 1 is the open floor plan. It's gorgeous. We have our living room, dining room, kitchen, and it's all open. Number 2 is we have a split bedroom plan. I love the split bedroom plan and the master suite over here. Let's go check it out. My number 3, I love the kitchen. The builder did a really good job with the kitchen, didn't he? And all appliances stay, even the washer and dryer. So this is basically move-in ready. Number 4 are the upgrades. I love these doors. Doors, the lights, there are so many builder upgrades in this property. Number 5, let's go. Check out the covered porch, an open porch here. It's gorgeous. Let's go. I'm going to show you number 5. And this whole yard is yours. So if you want more information on this house or any other house, call me, Michele Weaver. My number is 704-903-8294. Bye.